Want to customize your Garmin GPS with new VPM voice files? These files give your navigation device a fresh personality. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to install and use Garmin voice files on your GPS device. As a seasoned technician, I always suggest, have a robust file viewer ready to go. It often opens VPM files that Windows rejects outright. My recommendation below. A.VPM File Stores. Custom voice navigation prompts for Garmin GPS devices. Users download or create these files to replace the standard voice with different languages, celebrity voices, or personalized recordings. The primary user intent is to customize the audio experience of their navigation device. The .vpm format is a proprietary binary container that packages multiple compressed audio snippets, e.g., turn left, in 200 feet. This design allows the GPS device to efficiently store and quickly access individual voice commands needed for real-time turn-by-turn navigation instructions. The specialized program designed to handle VPM is Garmin Express by Garmin Ltd. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows can preview audio easily, yet nuanced control depends on dedicated sound editing programs. The initial action is crucial. Right-click your VPM file and select Open With. Use Garmin Express if it's installed, it's the best candidate. If not, cycle through the remaining options until one works. If the VPM file won't open, don't panic. This VPM file requires certain conditions to open properly. To isolate the error, we'll quickly verify these essential details on our checklist. First, installing on Garmin devices. Connect your Garmin GPS to your computer via USB cable and open the device folder in File Explorer. Copy the VPM file to the Garmin voice folder on the device. Disconnect the device safely and access the voice settings menu to select the new voice from available options on your Garmin GPS unit. Next, using Garmin Express, install Garmin Express from Garmin.com, which manages Garmin device updates including voice files. Connect your device and use Garmin Express to install official voice options. The software handles file format compatibility, ensuring proper installation on your specific Garmin model with verified voice content from Garmin's official sources. Finally, custom voice creation. Create custom Garmin voice files using community tools available from GPS enthusiast forums like gpspassion.com. These tools enable recording custom voice prompts and packaging them into VPM format for personalization. Note that custom voices may have limitations compared to official Garmin voices regarding street name pronunciation and language support. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.